Over the past few weeks, I've been digging deep into some of the most overlooked areas of Italy, analyzing listings, local markets, and real opportunities that most buyers simply never see. And what stood out this time wasn't just the price. It was the fact that these are not abandoned properties or risky renovation projects. These are real farmhouses, homes you can move into, and begin a completely different chapter from day one. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 of those opportunities, all located in Italy, all ready to live in, and all priced between just $39 and under $56. Now here's where this becomes even more interesting. For many foreigners, moving to Italy feels complicated. But in reality, there are clear legal pathways if you know where to look. There's the elective residency visa, ideal if you have stable passive income and want to enjoy a slower lifestyle. There's also the digital nomad visa, designed for remote workers who want to live in Italy while working online. And in some cases, self-employment or work visas can open the door as well. So this isn't just about finding affordable property. It's about identifying realistic entry points into a different way of living, one that's still accessible right now. On this channel, Expat Home Opportunities, I focus on exactly that. I research different regions across Europe, break down the numbers, the lifestyle, and the real costs, and then bring you the best opportunities I can find, so you can see what's actually possible before making a decision. In this video, we'll start with the region itself, what makes it attractive, how it feels to live there, and then we'll go property by property, looking at what really matters and why each one could make sense depending on your situation. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just about buying a house. It's about understanding whether a move like this could actually work for you. And if you want to stay ahead of these opportunities, before everyone else starts looking in the same places, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell, because I'm constantly tracking new deals across Europe. And the best ones don't stay available for long. Let's get started. In the northeastern part of Italy, within the region of Friuli Venezia Giulia, this is a landscape shaped by mountains, forests, and small Alpine communities where life moves at a much more deliberate pace. It's a setting that naturally appeals to buyers looking for privacy, space, and a quieter day-to-day environment. This property is located in Expat, a small municipality with approximately 1,064 permanent residents. The farmhouse itself is situated in the hamlet of Pinedo di Expat, a more secluded and peaceful area within the municipality, surrounded by open land and greenery. The structure extends across 3 full floors, plus an attic, offering a total of 472 square meters. And it is currently divided into 3 independent living units, a feature that significantly increases its flexibility. On the ground floor, the layout includes an entrance area, living room, kitchen, bathroom, 2 bedrooms, and access to an unfinished basement. The first floor provides a large living area, 2 spacious bedrooms, and a bathroom with a bathtub. The second floor contains another kitchen, a bathroom with a shower, 2 additional bedrooms, and access to an unfinished attic space that can be adapted depending on future plans. This internal distribution makes the property suitable for different strategies, whether as a large shared home for multiple families who want to maintain independence, or as an investment where each unit could be used separately. The exterior adds further value, with a private garden, terrace, cellar, and an outdoor storage area. In terms of location, Expat maintains essential day-to-day services, including small grocery stores and local shops, while more extensive options such as supermarkets are available in Maniago, approximately 35 minutes away. For healthcare, Ospedale Civile di Maniago is also located about 35 minutes from the property. The nearest railway access can be found in Maniago as well, making regional travel possible. Venice Marco Polo Airport is approximately 1 hour and a half away by car, and the Adriatic coast, including destinations such as Lignano Sabbiadoro, can be reached in around 1 hour and 40 minutes. The asking price for this property is €55,000. That equals approximately 59,400 United States dollars, 47,300 British pounds sterling, When buying in Italy, it's important to account for the full acquisition cost. In this case, buyers should consider property transfer tax, typically around 9% for second homes, notary and registration fees, and legal and administrative expenses. For a property at this price level, the additional costs generally fall between 6,000 and 7,500 euros. This brings the estimated total investment to approximately 61,000 to 62,500 euros. If you're looking for a property that offers both space and multiple ways to use it, this is the kind of opportunity that can adapt to your plans rather than limit them. In southern Italy, along the Adriatic side, the region of Abruzzo offers a very different kind of lifestyle compared to the northern Alpine areas. This property is located in Torino di Sangro, a small town in the province of Chieti with approximately 3,000 permanent residents. It's a municipality that combines countryside tranquility with proximity to the coast, making it particularly attractive for buyers who want both space and accessibility. The farmhouse sits just a few minutes outside the town center, in an elevated and quiet position that provides open panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. The structure is arranged over 2 levels and offers a total living area of 99 square meters, complemented by a significantly larger garage and storage space. On the ground floor, the layout includes an entrance area, a kitchen with a traditional fireplace, a separate living room, a bathroom, and a storage room, covering approximately 45 square meters. The first floor offers 2 bedrooms, an additional storage space, and a balcony with around 59 square meters of usable space. Beyond the main house, the property includes a large garage and storage area of approximately 110 square meters, which opens up possibilities for workshop use, additional storage, or even future conversion. The outdoor space consists of a 400 square meter private garden. The house is structurally solid, with a roof in good condition, and it already has water, electricity, and heating systems in place. In terms of location, this is where the property becomes particularly interesting. The Adriatic coast is just about 10 minutes away, giving you quick access to beaches such as those in Torino di Sangro Marina. The nearest train station, located along the coastal railway line, is also around 10 minutes away, providing connections along the Adriatic corridor. For air travel, Abruzzo Airport in Pescara can be reached in approximately 50 minutes. For healthcare, one of the main facilities in the area is Ospedale Renzitti in Lanciano, located about 25 minutes from the property. Daily services are easily accessible, with local shops in town and larger supermarkets available within a 10 to 15-minute drive. The area also offers outdoor recreation options, including coastal walks, nature reserves like La Città di Torino di Sangro, and family-friendly beach areas. The asking price for this property is 49,000 euros. That equals approximately 52,900 United States dollars, 42,100 British pounds sterling. As with any property purchase in Italy, it's essential to consider the full acquisition cost. In this case, buyers should account for property transfer tax, typically around 9% for second home buyers, notary and registration fees, approximately 2% to 3%, and legal and administrative costs. For a property at this price level, the additional costs generally range between 5,000 and 6,500 euros. This brings the estimated total investment to approximately 54,000 to 55,500 euros. For buyers who want immediate usability, proximity to the sea, and additional functional space beyond the main house, this type of property offers a combination that's increasingly difficult to find at this price point. In the Lazio region, just south of Rome, the landscape shifts into a mix of agricultural plains, rolling hills, and protected natural areas. The property is located in Amasino, a town with approximately 4,009 permanent residents. It's a place where daily life is supported by small businesses and a stable residential community, without the pressure or density of larger urban centers. The house is positioned on Via Longana, a residential area that benefits from its proximity to the Monti Aronsi Natural Park. The property itself has already been restored and is fully habitable, offering 150 square meters of interior space distributed across multiple levels. The main entrance opens into a central hallway. To the right, there's a spacious kitchen and dining area, enhanced by large windows that bring in natural light throughout the day. On the left side, there's a well-proportioned bedroom that feels private and comfortable. An internal staircase leads to the first floor, where a large double bedroom provides a more secluded and adaptable living space. This room can be configured based on personal preferences, whether as a primary bedroom or a more flexible living area. Above that, the second level features a generous attic, which can be used either as additional living space or as storage, depending on future needs. The surrounding area supports everyday living. Larger retail options can be found in nearby centers, such as Frosinone, approximately 30 minutes away. In terms of accessibility, the Tyrrhenian coast, including areas like Terracina, is approximately 35 minutes away by car. The nearest major airport is Rome Ciampino Airport, which can be reached in about 1 hour and 10 minutes, while Rome Fiumicino Airport is approximately 1.5 hours away. Rail access is available via Preverno Fossanova Station, located around 20 minutes from the property, providing connections to Rome and other major cities. For healthcare, Ospedale Fabrizio Spaziani in Frosinone is one of the main hospitals in the area, located approximately 30 minutes away. The asking price for this property is €45,000. That equals approximately 48,600 United States dollars, 38,700 British pounds sterling. When evaluating the total cost of acquisition in Italy, buyers should include the additional costs, generally range between 4,500 and 6,000 euros. This brings the estimated total investment to approximately 49,500 to 51,000 euros. For buyers looking at central Italy with solid infrastructure, natural surroundings, and a property that's already ready to use, this is the kind of opportunity that gives you both stability and room to adapt over time. Right in central Italy, Umbria offers a very different setting compared to coastal or Alpine regions. This property is located in Parano, a small municipality in the province of Terni, with approximately 587 permanent residents. The scale of the town is part of its appeal. It's quiet, low density, and surrounded by open countryside. The farmhouse is positioned within a small rural hamlet, which creates a balance between seclusion and having nearby neighbors. The building is arranged across 3 levels and has a total living area of 70 square meters. It has already been restored and is fully habitable, which means it can be used immediately without structural work. On the ground floor, there are multiple storage spaces and a toilet, making it a practical level for utility use. The first floor includes a living room with a fireplace and kitchenette, along with a bedroom and a bathroom. The second floor adds another bedroom and bathroom, creating a vertical layout that separates living and sleeping areas effectively. What sets this property apart is the land included. The agricultural parcel is divided between olive groves, woodland, and arable land, which gives the owner different ways to use the space. In terms of daily life, Parano offers basic local service, while more complete options are available in nearby towns such as Fabro and Orvieto, both within approximately 20 to 30 minutes. The area also provides access to outdoor activities, including hiking, cycling, and visits to nearby natural and historical sites. For connectivity, the nearest railway station is Fabro-Ficul, located about 20 minutes away, offering regional and intercity train connections. The Tyrrhenian coast can be reached in approximately 1.5 hours by car. The closest major airport is Rome Fiumicino Airport, at around 1 hour and 40 minutes distance. For healthcare, one of the main hospitals in the area is Ospedale Santa Maria della Stella in Orvieto, located approximately 30 minutes from the property. The asking price for this property is 45,000 euros. That equals approximately 48,600 United States dollars, 38,700 British pounds sterling. When purchasing a property like this in Italy, it's important to calculate the full acquisition cost. Buyers should consider, for this price range, the additional costs generally fall between 4,500 and 6,000 euros. This brings the estimated total investment to approximately 49,500 to 51,000 euros. Manageable proportions meet productive acreage in this versatile Italian estate. Positioned in a highly stable rural market, it represents a secure opportunity to own a property that provides both immediate comfort and room to grow over time. In the Emilia-Romagna region, in northern Italy, the landscape changes once again. Here, it becomes flatter, more agricultural, and closely connected to one of the most unique ecosystems in the country, the Po Delta. The property is located in Massola, a municipality in the province of Ferrara, with approximately 6,800 permanent residents. It's a functional town with a stable population, where daily services, schools, and local businesses support year-round living. This house is situated in Bosco Massola, a residential area close to the town center, which means you have immediate access to everyday conveniences while still maintaining a sense of space. The property is a two-level home with a total built area of 169 square meters, and it includes a private outdoor courtyard. On the ground floor, the layout features a living room with a fireplace, a bathroom, and a dedicated laundry area. This level is in good condition and can be used immediately. The upper floor includes a kitchen dining space connected to an additional room that was previously used as a bedroom and could be adapted again depending on your needs. Continuing to the top level, there are two large bedrooms. It's important to note that while the ground floor is move-in ready, the upper level requires renovation, which creates an opportunity to customize the space rather than starting from scratch. The property also includes a 40 square meter garage with a laundry area and a cellar, located just in front of the house, outside the private courtyard. From a location standpoint, this area is particularly strategic. The Adriatic coast, including beach areas like Lido di Volano, is approximately 20 minutes away. The nearest major airport is Venice Marco Polo Airport, which can be reached in about 1 hour and 15 minutes by car. For rail connections, the closest stations are in Codogoro and Ferrara, both accessible within approximately 25 to 50 minutes, offering regional and national train links. Healthcare is available at Ospedale del Delta in Lago Santo, located around 25 minutes from the property. For everyday needs, Massola offers local shops, pharmacies, and services. The asking price for this property is 39,000 euros. That equals approximately 42,100 United States dollars, 33,500 British pounds sterling. When calculating the total investment, buyers should include, for a property at this price level, the additional costs are between 4,000 and 5,500 euros. This brings the estimated total investment to approximately 43,000 to 44,500 euros. Livable convenience and expansion potential define this well-positioned home. It serves as a sensible and affordable starting point, allowing you to settle in immediately while gradually shaping the remaining space to suit your specific needs. That's a wrap on today's selection. What I find interesting about these 5 properties is not just the price point. It's how different each one is in terms of location, structure, and what you can actually do with it. From alpine settings to coastal access, from move-in ready spaces to properties you can shape over time, there's a clear range of possibilities depending on what you're looking for. If any of these stood out to you, you'll find all the links and contact details in the video description, so you can explore each opportunity further and reach out directly for more information. And if you want to stay updated on similar properties across Europe, Siurke no sei, the kind that most people don't come across until it's too late, make sure to subscribe to Expat Home Opportunities and turn on notifications. I'm constantly tracking new listings and breaking them down so you can see what's actually worth considering. I'm also curious, which one would you seriously consider, and what makes it the right fit for you? Let me know in the comments.